Work with multiple artboards today inside of Illustrator. This is my regular template that we have ended with the last video in creating. If I zoom out, Command minus, look how far I can go out. So this is the entire Illustrator kind of area we can work in, or the confines, and we can't go outside of that area. So if this is an A4 size piece of paper, that's a considerable amount of artboards we can put inside of this document. Now, just like Word or PowerPoint, it's the same thing as working with multiple documents per file. And I'm suggesting that as we move on through the year, it might be easier for you if you just have everything in one file and just with multiple artboards. So you have everything in one place. And so this Illustrator file kind of becomes your digital sketchbook or your digital journal. So let's add some new artboards. I'm going to make sure that all the layers are unlocked first so I can select and copy over everything. I'm going to leave this information the same. I'm going to change it later as we progress through the year, but I just want something there when I copy and paste over. I'm going to zoom out and scroll over just a bit, go to my artboard tool, and I'm going to add in a new artboard by clicking that button, the plus sign in the artboard tool. And there we go, another artboard, and I can keep going. I can add as many as I want to. Now, the further I get, I'm going to zoom out. So I've added four new artboards. And look, they've kind of counted off 2, 3, 4, 5, and they've kind of named them. Your names might be different. And now we can get out of our artboard tool because I think that's enough for now. And I'm going to click on my selection tool to get out of the artboard tool. And I'm going to make sure all of my layers are unlocked. I think that's a good idea. Yeah, they are. They're all visible as well. So with those visible, I'm going to select everything in that layer. But I need to I don't want to have the guide selected. So I don't want to copy and paste those over. So I'm going to lock my guides. Some of you have wanted to know how to delete guides or clear guides. Here is one way. If you go to View menu, you can go down to the bottom and go to Guides, and here's all of these options for you. You can clear all the guides, you can lock them all, or you can hide the guides, which we talked about in class, which is Command semicolon. I'm going to go ahead and lock my guides. And then now I think I have this down. If you would like to paste in place, make sure that when you copy it and paste it over, that you have at least, I don't know, some of the old artboard visible. Then activate your blank artboard and do a Command F. There we go. That seemed to work. And then keep going, other artboard visible. Click the next artboard to activate it, Command F. Next artboard, activate it, Command F. Next board, activate, Command F. Okay. Now again, these artboards and these file or this file, which will become your digital journal or your digital sketchbook, is meant for like your final version for submitting notes, your process, all of the refined things that you'll do for presentation. And whenever you present your work, you're going to clean up everything and have all of your notes compiled, all of the most important things. in this digital file. And we'll have drawings, sketches, measurements, and then final pictures, these types of things. I'm going to go ahead and save this out as MYP template final, and there'll just be multiple pages of a blank template here, and I can change those as I go. But that is how you create multiple artboards and paste it in place. So now we don't have to worry about guides. Although if we want to bring them back, we can just do a command semicolon, and there they are for that first artboard anyway. And they keep going. And again, we can add as many as we want to. It seems like we could add at least 100 of these artboards and still be fine. Remember also that the more pictures you place, the larger the file gets. Vectors don't take up that much space, so anything you add in like type or shapes really don't take up that much room, but pictures that you may add or place in, those do take up a lot of room. So maybe we'll talk about saving our images in a more efficient way later. Okay, that's it. Have a good day.